In this video, I'll show you how to make a wither in Minecraft. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And now let's go and get straight into this guide. In order to go and make and summon the wither in Minecraft, there's a few things you're going to need. So I've gone and put them in this chest. So firstly, you're going to need 4 blocks or 4 pieces of soul sand. In order to go and get soul sand, you need to go to the nether. And once you've got the soul sand, you also need 3 wither skeleton heads. So let's go and open up the chest, and here they are. So to go and get these, you need to go to nether once again. So in order to go and get to the nether, you'll need to use a nether portal. So you can go and create one out of obsidian. As you can see, it looks exactly like this. And then you go and activate it by using flint and steel. Also, I recommend taking some tools. Definitely you need a shovel and a sword, but just take, armor, resources like blocks, and just a few other tools as well, as it may be useful for getting around the nether. Now let's go there. And then once you arrive in the nether, you need to go and find the soul sand. So usually you're going to go and find soul sand next to lava. You're going to have soul soil as well, but you want to go and get soul sand. So here it is. We can then go and dig some here. We need 4 bits. There we go, we've now got our 4 bits. In order to get the wither skeleton skull or head, then what you need to do is come back to the nether, as I said, and you need to go and find a fortress. So I've got a whole guide of finding fortresses, but you're basically going to find them randomly in the nether. Then what you need to do is explore them, and in them you're actually going to find wither skeletons. As you can see, here they are, the one running around just here, and what you need to do is go and kill them, and you have a 25% chance of getting a skull when you go and kill them. And then once you've got 4 soul sand and 3 wither skeleton heads, let's go and build this. So place 1 block of soul sand like so, another on top of it, and then 1 either side. So 1 here, and then 1 here. Now the next thing you need to do is go and place 3 wither skeleton skulls on top, just 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go and get a block of dirt just to go and get a bit of height on here, and then I'm going to place up, and then I'm going to go and put the 3 skulls on now. The third one is then going to go and spawn the wither in, just like so. And here is the wither, and then you can fight it, you can do whatever you want with it, guys. It's that easy. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.